Yo! Yeah, yeah. Yo!
Yeah, man. Biggest Jamaica, biggest place of food, bro. Welcome back to another episode Island Adventure JA. So, today are beach vibes. No river today. Cause a few boys them want to go beach. So, they are beach. Some place in Westmoreland. Oh, and blacks over there and make up fire. So you can go and cook some food as always. You know we love food, you know. Although we are bulla still, but you still have to eat some food same way. So just stay tuned. Hey Kelani. Say hello. Say hello, hi. Tanisha and RJ, there's a quarrel of food.
I'm not going to marry.
Beg you one I Guinea. I don't like Guinea still now, but I take one.
250 for it.
Man, shout out to Oshin and Naya Lifestyle. Oshin, big up yourself, youth.
Oh, they don't eat it. I'm fire, we don't need my nigga fire. You can make a next one. Yeah, I want to roll up on the jinky jacket. You see me jinky jacket? No. I feel bad whole day. If I want to roll my jinky jacket.
Smooth start. Bubble up. Be a big chicken me fried today. Hey, that's okay if you start with chicken, you know? You like this now? You think they not make money? Give me no money. What do you mean? Some more chicken. If they not give me big like this, we don't go back to KFC. Kentucky Beach chicken. River chicken you cook last week, too. Kentucky Beach chicken. See that? Different style of chicken. Now look here. Kentucky Beach goat. Come here, girl. Alright. No. That shade is here. No. Hey, power gun.
You know what? I'm going to
Power gun.
see what you cook for all the rest of boy.
Why you see no chicken killer? Tanisha. Oh, this is something over here.
Sit off your pot.
Listen, the glass back over there. Say she want water.
I don't have no cup. I don't see no with no cup.
Then put on one cup of myself and water. When we do the cup.
Cup, but you can't.
Check this out. We have a new tripod. We had to invest in a new tripod. So the video them time more stable. Because everybody know just a start and we're really getting the same way. So get a new tripod and tripod can stand up. Video can stabilize up. I hope the quality of the video better and more stable. Food and fire. So Continue watching. Let's do some anything. To get some gravy. What is it there, baby?
Bicycle.
Oh, bicycle. Creamy. Hey, every ice cream man in Jamaica named Creamy. You know that?
Really?
Every ice cream man named Creamy. Yeah. You know that? Once you're at Jamaica, your ice cream man, a Creamy your name. You never know that. You done there. You know your first name. Your last name, a Creamy your name. And if you sell pudding, your name Pudding Man. Beach nice still. It does that. Me is a river man, you know, because I love run and jump off, you know, brother. Yeah. Nothing that they have to jump out of. If you jump out of that tree, yeah, right on the ground, that's why you're not stone, you know. The next episode is going to be a river episode, because we're a river man.
We still have to go find somewhere if you jump. And if I jump in the water.
Kelani. Hey, look here, baby.
Thank you.
Somebody gift for Kelani just give me. See here? It's my gift. Water nice and everything, but me still not going there. Look, you see? I have one cooking shirt, see me. The Heineken in my hand. I wonder if Heineken was sponsor me like how they say, man. You know, give me a sponsorship. You don't never get it. You never get it.
I second woman to me when you hear say like compare. Yo,